With 269 votes, the chair declares the Honorable Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez from the 1st District of Leyte as the duly elected Speaker of the House of Representatives for the 20th Congress.
With humility in my heart and a deep sense of duty, this indeed is an honor that I embrace with full awareness of the responsibility it entails, not only to this esteemed institution, but most importantly, to the Filipino people we have all sworn to serve. I rise today to accept the renewed trust you have given me to serve once again as your Speaker of the House of Representatives. As we open the 20th Congress, we build upon the foundations laid upon in the 19th, advancing reforms that bring the government closer to the people and restoring trust in this chamber as the true House of the people. We convene at a time that demands unity of purpose, clarity of vision, and courage of conviction. We are not here to preserve power, but to pursue progress, not to serve ourselves, but to uplift the lives of our fellow citizens. Bawat batas na ating ipinapasa ay salamin ng pangarap ng bawat Pilipino, mula sa estudyanteng nangangarap, sa manggagawang lumalaban, hanggang sa pamilya patuloy na umaasa. To my fellow representatives, thank you for your continued support and your commitment and unwavering public service. Ang kapulungan ng ito ay boses ng taumbayan. At kung boses ng taumbayan ang ating dala, tungkulin natin ito'y gamitin para sa kanilang karapatan, kabuhayan, at kinabukasan.
Please like, subscribe, and share this video.